Hello, this is Ra. If you want to learn more about a gbxml file, go to gbxml.org. I'm going to show you how to import a gbxml file into the HVAC solution software. Trane Trace, CHVAC, load programs now output this file format. It's a shareable file. It carries the spatial data, zoning data, and the heating and cooling loads. And I'm going to open HVAC solution, go to File, Import. I'm going to import a Trane gbxml file. It's on my desktop. This is for a 35-story building designed for Panama City in Central America. When I open the file, it opens the gbxml wizard in the software. And for the interest of time, I'm going to just click through the wizard. Anything in white you can modify or change. So it applies defaults, and the defaults is what you're seeing right now. But if you see a white box, you can modify or change any of those by clicking the drop-down menu. So it's reviewing now the fans, filters, spatial information. There's the CFM for the heating and cooling side, 22,460 on the cooling side. Ventilation, again, this is the gbxml wizard that's reviewing the data inside the gbxml file that came from Trane Trace 700. Exhaust, coil options, boilers. Let's change that to 2 chillers instead of 1. Piping arrangement, pumps, miscellaneous valves, expansion tanks, air separators, coil order, and now we're at the end of the wizard. When I click finish, it takes that data and it creates a complete schematic of the system. And this is a dynamic smart schematic. It's built 7 air handlers, 7 airflow schematics. If I click on this space, is the information for that space. There's the 22,460. It's sized the ductwork. If I hit Control A and right click, there's all the duct sizes. They're 84 by 84. It's created the chilled water schematic. Let's bring up the pipe sizes. It sized all the piping, calculated the head and flow. So we have 14-inch mains running up and down the tower. And it's given us a boiler schematic. So again, we've taken the gbxml file with the spatial data, zones, heating, cooling loads from Trane Trace, imported it into the software, and in less than 3 minutes we have a smart, dynamic, connected schematic that typically would take 2-3 weeks, 4 weeks for a team to put together. Thank you.